Hello, everybody. Welcome to Naija.TV. If today is your first time of coming across my YouTube channel, my Facebook page, please do well to join this beautiful family, okay? If you find anything like, okay? Thank you all for your support. I really do appreciate all my returning subscribers. May the good Lord bless you guys. Oh, yes, yes, I appreciate you guys. I see this video from a leader in KG platform, Instagram. Ladies, 21 pregnant girls, some 19, some, I just put down, 1980 down. Some get belle went to get pikin for hand. Then they come dey interview dem say how come dem no talk the truth o. I go like make una hear. For me, I know say dem no talk truth. They just dey they just dey cover up for their madam. Let hear dem.
My name
My name is
Divine who? Divine.
Michael.
Michael. From where? Where are you from?
I'm from Abia State.
Which part of Abia?
From Isialongo.
Okay, where in Isialongo?
South.
Okay, so how long have you been here?
I've been here since 5 months.
5 months. How did you manage to come here? Who brought you here? You come on your own or somebody?
No, somebody brought me.
Who is the person?
There was one man that saw me on the road. So he now asked me, so what did I intend to do? So I now told him that my parents are late. So he said that he will take me to somewhere and they will take care of me. If I want to go to school, that the woman will help me and sponsor me. So that's why I came.
So have you been sponsored since you came?
Yeah, she helped me arrange my work. So that was only then I wanted to apply for form. So it was late. So they said that they are closed. That it should be next semester.
When you came here, were you pregnant?
Yes.
You were pregnant when you came here. Who is responsible for that pregnancy? Who was responsible? Do you know the man?
He's my boyfriend, but I told him that I'm pregnant. Then now. Yes.
Okay. But since you came here and she has been taking care of you, have you delivered the baby?
No.
You're still pregnant now?
I took pills so that the baby will
come out. But it didn't come out now.
No.
So who is the person that accommodated you here? Who is the man, woman, or is it a man or woman that is looking after you here?
It's a woman.
What is her name?
Her name is Emma.
Emma who? You do know the other name?
Emma Charity.
Emma Charity. Did he promise you when you give birth you will collect the child or you pay? What did he tell you?
I told her that I don't want to give the baby for an adoption. She said fine. If I didn't want to give it for adoption, that she's going to keep the baby.
And pay you?
No. She said that she will keep the baby and take care of it. If I'm ready, then she will now give me back the baby.
So you won't pay her anything for accommodating you, helping you to take back the baby?
No, I told her, as in, she said that if there are some people, if they decided to adopt their baby, then she will pay them. If you didn't accept it, she will not.
My name is Deborah. Raise your face. Your name?
My name is Deborah.
Speak out.
Deborah.
Deborah who? Friday. Okay. You are here. What brought you here?
Someone that brought me.
Who is the person?
I don't know the person.
But you saw the person somewhere. Somewhere. How did it lead to you coming here? What did he tell you? What did you tell him? What was the problem?
The problem is that this pregnancy that I'm carrying has no help for me. So the man told me that there is a place to answer my life, but nobody will know about it. So I decided to go to it.
How old are you?
I'm 19.
19. Are you a student? Do you go to school? Do you learn work? Speak out.
I was learning work.
Which work are you learning?
Same dress.
Same dress. You are sewing clothes. This baby by your side, who go now?
The father.
The father? Deny about the child. But him pregnant too. So you are the mother. Then why do you bring the child here with you?
Nobody to take care of the baby.
Okay, nobody. But here you are now. Did they bring men to come and sleep with you? No. So how do you survive here? How do you survive here? The woman cook food and give you?
Yes.
Then did he say he will collect this child as a payback?
Let me drop this video. My people, what you not think about those stories when those two girls talk about 19 years, the other one, I don't know her age, but when they show them, they're small, some even the one small past that. Why you just decide to the humble pregnant women? Because Africa deep. If now abroad, even they do and you will collect a police report, maybe the person and just good Samaritan when she see young girls they pass through after they don't make mistake, man don't pregnant them, then they will come carry them, just to support them. They keep them for them to they sleep outside, to they hungry, just to humble them. Maybe this person are good Samaritan, they do them good. Or maybe the other way, he wants collect the children, sell them. But where me come they try to they double think. Now she want put this pregnant woman for house. This pregnant girl say she want go school. But now agreement, maybe if they give birth to the child, they go, you know, give her out. I don't really know, my people. What do you not think about this? Bad things, you don't make people, they see everybody like bad. You understand? According to those girls now, they are explain their explanation. Nothing symbolized like say this person need anything from them. Maybe they feel they lie. Maybe they feel they lie. Say the woman needs something from them, and maybe they don't coach them down. Yes, so maybe they don't coach them down. Anytime when person come, police person come, or any interview come, maybe they not speak. We don't need anything from you. You see as they suffer now. I want just try to help you now. See money one want give you, the girl go, he go scan, he go crack her ear. Oh, this one I never seen her before. No be a pikin, I was born again. That different way I just put on. But if there is nothing this person do, he just help them, God will bless him. But if something day you want collect person pikin, go give another person pikin, just because of poverty, the reward is waiting for you in heaven. Not baby go tell you the rewards go, because those things when I dey watch church, when this lady she don dey look for child for long, e no see child, then go dey disturb pastor, disturb prophet, disturb doctor, disturb people dey go. Na prophet see this vision for am say, when pikin when you born, when you throw away, you be bad person till you find that pikin. Some ladies, some young girls, they make mistake when they be teenage. They make mistake. I believe if na something like that those girls go do, no do am o. Struggle with your pikin. As far you fit open your leg, you like that man dey on top of your chest, you no be small pikin again. Anything come out from there, you suppose to take responsible from that. And those boys, when I go see small girls like una, I love you, at the end pikin go come out, una go deny them. Make una collect sense o, make una collect sense. And una be the young girls wey dey put una for school, I beg, make una focus for una school. Those days when me dey grow up, when my mama just tell me say, if man touch your shoulder, you don tell him. Hey, any man wey touch my shoulder, my mama say, till you tell me before you know. I must tell my mama how these young girls, because na the same I say they follow my daughter, and hey, don't let anybody touch. Hey, na your private, and na your private. Anybody don't have right to enter your area, that place. You understand? I believe, I don't know whether na lack of, not the lack of training. Some people when they even train, they still, do vaga. Now when una mama help una carry una pikin, na people just carry belle, now their mother throw them out. But some girls, they get luck when they will get belle, their mama will help them take care of their children. But you mothers, me una call you father. When our children will just get belle, they make mistake, now just throw away them. Una not even think about what if something harm them for there. Now grand pikin, now because of poverty, wetin poverty no dey cause for this world, they exist. How person, no matter what poverty, I see some people when they poor, their daughter get belle, the mother take care of that child. The parents take care of that child. Some people, some parents, there be something else too. How could you just open your eyes? This kind 19-year-old girl, just because she make mistake, you throw her out. You know whether na the pikin when you want give birth to, na the pikin will remove now for poverty. Not beside they encourage you now, when I be the young girls when they outside. It's very bad. Focus on your work. Focus on your study. Nothing part say you rich woman before you give birth. Nothing sweet, rich. Everybody will celebrate you. Everybody go dey happy. I remember when I give birth to my first daughter. Oh, my mother, I go dey my name. How you dey do today? You dey But if na belle I carry when I dey 50 or 40 or 19, haba. You see your mistake now. You see your mistake, but it not be like that. How you dey feel? You get okay? I hope you dey. I know say mama no do that. You know you that. My mama na very sweet mother. My mother, no. Mama, you go if he talk to you go dey cry. She go by say now she talk to you, you go dey by say dey cry. She's too sweet. And my dad, my dad, your komoko dey wait for you. Me una no dey live una child. If na child make a mistake, I beg. My heart bleed when I see those young girls, those children. Yes, 21, 19 years. They be small pikin now. 21 children, 21 girls. What I want to call them now? 21 pregnant women. Small girls. Now wow. Parents, I dey beg una. I dey beg una. Make una no dey leave those children. If they make that mistake, please. And please, make una no dey leave them. Not be say wetin they do is good. It good, but at least make una no dey leave those children like that. It make person for me I dey look that parent like say na no be I no wan pronounce because parents I need to respect na no do well now. Let's tell ourselves the truth. Your daughter make mistake, you just know now. They will come go dey say, they will come go dey na lie that they lie. How can a person he wan sponsor you for school, you get belle, he enroll you for exam, at the end nothing. It's possible, maybe nothing true, maybe it's possible there is something. My people, the world is deep. Who can say you want to, who they do good now, they paint that bad. But if you want to do good, you come across this my video, you want to do this kind of good, go and register it with police. Legit thing, register it. Let the world know say na this thing you are there to help the teenager when they carry belle, when their parents they throw them out. Register it. If you not register am, you just dey cook them for one place. For me, I see am like you want use am, you want buy the children from there. I withdraw that my words. You hear? If e dey your mind like me now, they not dare me now for Europe. I just wake up now say me I dey handle people children without I not register am, without the government not know me, but I go face the law. I go face you know wetin be that? You know wetin be that? Please, let's do things with respect. Let's respect our law. We the citizens of Nigeria, respect our law, okay? Not be say person still dey problem. You want to take advantage of that person because if not true, wetin I dey talk say na true, no be say na lie, or my assumption say na true. You dey abuse those girls just because their parents throw them out. Opportunity to get back, or opportunity to use them. Some devil they give birth finish, they'll still pregnant them again. Many they have for that Africa, mostly for that our Nigeria. May God guide our loved one. May God have mercy on those people who they try to sell people children to other people. It's very bad. Please, if you get belle, talk something. Your favor can come in different platform, in different way. Please. And this one I get to talk, my people. Thank you all, my returning. I really do appreciate you guys all. If you never subscribe to this Naija daughter. If you find something interesting, when when go make you they come back to watch my YouTube channel, subscribe. My Facebook, if you know will get anything, go make you come back. Push me, reach there so that I will get that 10,000 followers. Okay, my people. And this one I get to talk with you. I need to run my message. Now who they go, now who they see, now who they calabash. Young girls, cover your babies, cover your sha, cover your cover your cover it, okay?
Go bow for the result, nothing to discuss, cause I they win by default and without any